Jake, yummy.
Yummy.
Yum, yum. You're a little bit on your face, I think. Say yum, yum.
Don't get a head rush. Yummy.
Yummy. Yummy. Yummy.
It is yummy, huh? Is that yummy?
Is that yummy? Say yummy, yummy, yummy. Jake, who are you? Who are you?
He's too into the ice cream sandwich.
Jake, who are you? Say me.
You probably should have put a bib on before he gave him that.
Yeah, probably.
Hey,
You
Sam.
don't let me eat that whole thing.
Say I'm only a 14-month-old once. Yummy.
Mommy. Mommy.
Yummy.
Ba.
Yes. Right here.
Jake, who are you?
Oh my god.
Jake said Grandpa.
We're back with the birthday cake.
Grandpa.
You are destroying that ice cream sandwich.
Are you done? You had enough? You have a stomachache, kid.
Yummy.
Alright, that's enough. He's gonna have a head rush, he's gonna have a stomachache and everything.
Say bye-bye. Jacob, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.